It felt like it entered my life without warning. Suddenly, and without even realizing what I was doing, I escaped what I feared for so many years. Multiple sclerosis. Everything it could do to me, what it had already done to me, what it took, I'll never forget that. But now, I've taken everything back. Good things can sometimes happen to those by chance. Anything's possible, but that was never the case for my MS. What I did and what you will have to do is start the process all by yourself. You need to become, and you can become, the architect of your Myelin dreams. Hey, it's Dave. Wouldn't it be downright amazing if the entire universe would just start pulling strings with its fingers and give us our Myelin pack? Deborah asked me how long before I started to see positive changes when it came to my MS. I'm just thinking back to my past, and it's hard to give an exact answer because I wasn't paying much attention. I just kind of stumbled into it. All of us deserve this. A lot of us, I think, have given up hope. This is why I made it my mission to be your hope, to show you there is a future, and it's never too late to give up hope. Where I was in 2013 when I started, I'm telling you, you don't give up. Just don't give up that hope. You can make it happen. Your effort, dedication, and willpower all combine and start to pull your own strings so that you'll end up beating MS all by yourself. No one else can. Good things can happen to you, and you can finally enjoy the luck that was busy being shaped day after day. The combination of them all, destiny, opportunity, and inner strength, work together to bring us and you MS recovery. And it's all within your making. When you finally come to accept that you can restore your myelin, believe it. And all you have to do is embrace the lifestyle and walk the path with an open mind and a willing heart. In order to finally get your myelin back, more than just desire is needed though. Think about it. Thought infuses emotion and strength of will, where trust in oneself and one's possibilities act as the agents of restoration. You can restore your myelin. There's very little magic to the 5 essential elements though. And I didn't get them from reading a self-help book. Believe in yourself. Believe in yourself. You're worth it. I invite you to put in practice the 5 essential elements. They come into your life with such a quiet subtlety, but once they start taking hold, they will grow and start to change everything. I want to ignite a dream inside of you. Every dream turns an engine inside of us. Little by little, that dream will be transformed into a goal. And the goal will turn into willpower. Make your willpower a priority. Make it a priority. Once you do, you will become the driver of your recovery and not just a simple sufferer of MS. You will leave MS behind. I encourage you to dream, hope, and make the little changes needed to fight MS. Believe me, good things come to those who wait and dedicate themselves. I want to hear your thoughts. Do you feel like you're stuck? Does it feel like sometimes nothing seems to ever go your way and your MS just never gets better? Have I struck a match inside of you that will light a fire for you to start? Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss a video. Until the next one.